क्या कर दिया था? बंद रखा था? एक ही कट कर दो, बना तो भाई काट कर
एक स्टूडेंट का से नेक्स्ट।
अच्छा ऐसे चल
आए
चलो
हाँ गुड गुड इवनिंग सर एंड गुड इवनिंग ऑल फ्रेंड्स
Good evening.
ऑल लाइफ स्टूडेंट्स। माय टॉपिक इज अमेंडिया। एनी क्वेश्चन प्लीज?
इनका टॉपिक है अमेंडिया।
What is Amandia?
Amandia is a education skill development or goal changer. It's what is this?
Amandia name of me.
अमेरिका प्लस इंडिया। अमेरिका की जो जान है और इंडिया की जान कुछ सॉरी अमेरिकन स्टडी एंड इंडियन स्टडी एंड ज्वाइन योर ऑल स्टूडेंट ओनली इंडिया।
He is explaining America plus India is Amandia. Okay.
Next please question.
Next question, please.
Amandia is five.
Amandia is profit.
Not Amandia is profit. Amandia is a skill development or education या all institute and unique Amandia between it's a group is a goal success achievement already one.
शिवानी का क्वेश्चन है What does Amandia deal about? मतलब अमेंडिया किस बारे में डील करता है? तो राहुल ने बताया है जो अभी आपने सुना होगा that Amandia deals about the skill development and makes the people stand on their own feet, train them and make them independent.
Please.
हाँ जी, मेरा क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन ले लो
Please.
बोलो क्वेश्चन। Why we are joining Amandia?
हाँ, रिया का क्वेश्चन है Why should we join Amandia?
Should we Amandia joining skill development all everybody all not student all next student all everybody Amandia join up.
राहुल का आंसर है We should join Amandia so that we can become independent, we can become skilled and we can become successful. To become a complete person, we should join Amandia. He is saying this.
Next please.
Next question, please. प्रद्युमन क्या क्वेश्चन? प्रद्युमन का क्वेश्चन है How many courses are given are catered at Amandia? Amandia पर कितने सारे कोर्सेज दिए जाते हैं?
Amandia is a 256 courses. Mind going is a all institute is a different. All institute is a 1, 3, 3, 5, 10. Amandia is a one institute language. 256 courses. Mind going is me opinion.
Rahul is saying Amandia is having its unique place in the field of education. He says that it is the only institution where we are having 256 courses under one roof. So we need not go here and there. And also Amandia having the best quality in the world. He says it is my opinion.
Next please. What is the question?
ये स्टार्टिंग में इन्होंने जवाब दिया। प्रद्युमन का क्वेश्चन है कि इस एनजीओ का नाम अमेंडिया ही क्यों रखा गया है? तो मेरे ख्याल इसका जवाब राहुल पहले दे चुके हैं। अमेरिका और इंडिया का कंबाइंड वेंचर है, इसलिए उन दोनों को मिलाकर बना है अमेंडिया। हाँ जी, क्या भी पूछ रही है?
Your question?
Yes.
Okay. Any questions? Yes. Lakshika is asking question. Okay. पूछो लक्षिका. Amendia? Okay. What is the name of Amendia's owner? ये नाम पूछ रही है अमेंडिया के ओनर.
Mr. Vivek Watts, engineer of Air Force.
He is saying Mr. Vivek Watts, who is the engineer of Indian Air Force,
Yes.
is the founder and president of Amendia. हाँ जी. Any more questions?
How many courses have Amendia?
How many courses are there?
Riya's question again, that how many courses are there at Amendia? तो रिया राहुल ने अभी जवाब दिया है. Rahul has just replied that there are 256 courses available at Amendia under one roof, where you can do any number of courses here with a complete solution. Means he says that if you join at Amendia, you are definitely going to become a pro, that is professional, as we are having different levels for every course, at least 3 levels for every course, and there are 56 courses in total. So you can join for any of the courses and you can get completely trained.
Next, please, question.
Next question, please. No more questions. Okay.
Question is, okay, my suggestion is that it is Amendia. It's my suggestion. Amendia is a all people join up Amendia. All friends, you are friends, you are friends, all join up Amendia. Skill development goal achievement. It's my Amendia.
With that all,
I would like to find out. Thank you everyone. Auspicious opportunity.
No, I. With that all, I would like to wind up. Thank you everyone. Wind up. Thank you.
जो वो बोले उसको रिपीट करते जाओ. और कोई मत बोलो.
With that all,
With it all,
I would like to
I would like to
wind up.
find out.
Thank you everyone
Thank you everyone
for listening me
for listening me
patiently.
patiently.
Your kind
Your kind
cooperation
cooperation
and
and
positive
positive
gesture.
gesture.
Thank you.
Thank you for
Before you perform,
All done. कोई बचा है अभी? Is there anybody left? Okay, my dear friends.